A day after former Mumbai police chief Parambir Singh leveled serious and unprecedented charge of corruption against Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, NCP chief Sharad Pawar placed the onus of tackling the fallout of the allegations against his party's senior representative in the state cabinet on Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. While Home Minister Anil Deshmukh rejects charge, say Parambir Singh lying to save himself in Antilia bomb scare case. Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad claims Mansukh Hiran murder case solved, named Sachin Vase as a key conspirator. BJP Sunday released its manifesto for West Bengal promising to implement the Citizenship Amendment Act at the first cabinet meeting if it come to power, and BJP also promised to provide one job per family in the state, with Chakri emerging as a major polls issue. 282 candidates announced by the BJP so far for assembly polls in West Bengal. 46 are those who joined the Saffron party less than 2 years ago after the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. A bulk of them, 34 candidates, are from the TMC, 6 from CPM, 4 from Congress, and 1 each from Forward Bloc and Gorakh Janmukti Morcha. Spectators from overseas will not be allowed to attend the Summer Olympics in Japan, organizers said on Saturday, making a major concession to the realities of COVID-19 event as they forget about with plans to hold the world's largest sporting event. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi told the visiting US Defense Secretary Austin that he welcomed the warm and close relationship between the two countries, which is rooted in shared values of democracy, pluralism, and a commitment to a rules-based order. Austin said had a conversation Saturday with Indian cabinet minister about human rights issue in the country. Mizoram CM Zoramthanga Thursday asked Prime Minister Narendra Modi to intervene and allow political asylum to refugees from the neighboring country Myanmar, with a human catastrophe of gigantic proportion happening in Myanmar right in front of our eyes. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan tested positive for COVID, and Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla tested COVID positive, admitted to AIIMS. President Ramnath Kovind on Sunday stressed upon the need for gender equality in India's higher education sectors and to encourage women to pursue and enroll themselves in technical education. Bangladesh rules out security threat to Modi visit and said few left-wing and hardline Islamist groups are against his trip, but there is nothing to worry.
अच्छा सुनो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, उसके बाद घंटी बजा देना ताकि अगली वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो पाए। थैंक यू।